Experiencing a black screen or no sound in your Honda's infotainment system? These are common issues that can often be resolved with simple troubleshooting steps. First, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This reboots the system and clears temporary glitches without losing your data. If soft reset doesn't work, perform a hard reset by disconnecting the battery for 30 minutes or using the fuse box to isolate the infotainment module. Next, check for over-the-air updates via Wi-Fi or the My Honda Plus app. Ensure your vehicle is compatible with the latest software versions to fix known issues. For persistent issues, try a factory reset through the Settings menu. Note that this will wipe all data and require repairing your devices. Common causes include overheating, corrupted apps, and incompatible phone connections. For no sound issues, verify HDMI or USB connections. If these steps don't resolve the issue, consult your local Honda dealership for professional assistance. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your infotainment issues, Honda offers dealer and app-based fixes. The official My Honda Plus app includes diagnostic tools and guided resets. Some older models may require hardware upgrades. Stay informed about recalls for screen flickering and sound loss, which offer free repairs at dealerships. Future trends include AI-powered diagnostics that preemptively fix issues, OTA updates, and improved connectivity. As of late 2024, Honda introduced widespread OTA capabilities for select models, resolving many black screen issues. Expect to see increased AI integration in newer models, automating resets and updates. These fixes may not work for all models, as there are other issues to consider.